All right, we're here on the 500 Virago, and as I kept telling you, I wanted to put power to it just to see what we might have as far as the engine. So let's put a little bit of power to it. I do have a weak jump starter box here, and I got a good ground here because obviously the frame and engine is the same. So we got a ground, and we're gonna go power right to the starter. So the starter has one electrical point here, and that is the positive. So let's see if we have good, well, I'm not gonna check compression, just see if the engine's free and if the starter works. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Turn the power on in 1, 2, 3. All right. Starter works. Engine is free. I got some air coming out of here. Air's coming out of there. Looks like our engine's working on both cylinders. Let's not wear that out. But yeah, because we don't have a battery and we don't have a starter solenoid, not sure if we ever did, but there's a lot missing. We don't have a starter switch with the key. So basically, go right to the starter, and if we had fuel to this, it could very well start, but I'm sure the carbs need cleaned out. So this is just an experiment to see if the engine's free, and it is, and to make sure the starter works. So there you go. That's just a lesson in checking if an engine might be, I'm not going to say in good condition, but being that this bike was wrecked, that doesn't mean it didn't run. Just couldn't drive straight after the accident. Yeah, they're a little twisted. So that's just checking if the engine is free and the starter works. So it does. Thanks for watching.